So because they added on that charge for assault and battery that they had previously said there was no probable cause for, that gave Ashley the opportunity to get a protective order against me. She'd been trying to get one and she kept getting denied. So she ended up getting a protective order against me, and on it she had that I couldn't come around her children and that I couldn't come around her residence. I'm sure she failed to mention to them that that was my residence. I was the only lawful tenant. But there was nothing I could do. They have ex parte protective orders for a reason. Unfortunately, there are people that abuse the system, and we need these things for people that are actually being abused, actually victims of domestic violence, actually victims of assault. But Ashley has about over a decade history of misusing the system, abusing the system to steal people's houses and to punish her ex-boyfriends and their sisters and their girlfriends and anybody else she feels like has done her wrong. So anyways, I at this point was kicked out of my own house from April 11th till the court date of April 28th. On April 27th, I became co-owner of the home. We get to court on April 28th, and because I have a criminal charge pending, they are trying to get me not to testify on this protective order because, it's a whole thing where I could put myself at risk and anything I say there could be admitted in my criminal trial. But I didn't care. I wanted to get that shit done with because I have to have somewhere to live. So they did agree to remove her children from the protective order. They said there was no reason for them to be in there in the first place. And then they also agreed to remove the wording that I couldn't go near her residence because the judge said I don't grant residency in protective orders. So basically what that means is we both have protective orders against each other now. She can't come around me or my kids, and I just can't go around her. So whoever's in the house, the other one can't go there. But if we're not there, then the other one can go there. I had my son and my nanny go to the house. They made it there before either one of us did from court. When she got there, she saw my son walk right past him in violation of the protective order, and they refused to arrest her for it. I spoke to the officer on FaceTime on my nanny's phone, and I'm trying to tell him she just violated the protective order, but he's refusing to arrest her. And so he says just to come there so we can sort everything out. And I said, I can't. She's got a protective order against me, and I don't want to go to jail today. He says, it's okay, just come. So I came, and this is what happened when I did.